Have you ever wondered how jaggery is made? In this video, we'll show the entire process in just 1 minute. First, fresh sugarcane is collected and thoroughly cleaned. The sugarcane is then crushed using heavy rollers to extract fresh, sweet juice. Next, the juice is filtered to remove dirt and impurities, making it clean and ready for cooking. After filtration, the juice is poured into large open pans and heated over a strong flame. As the juice boils, excess water slowly evaporates and the liquid begins to thicken. During boiling, the foam that forms on the surface is carefully removed to keep the jaggery pure. With continuous heating and stirring, the juice turns into a thick syrup. This is the most important stage where jaggery develops its natural color, aroma, and rich flavor. Once the syrup reaches the perfect consistency, it is poured into molds. The mixture is then left to cool and solidify naturally. After cooling, the jaggery hardens and is removed from the molds. The result is pure, natural jaggery, rich in taste, energy, and tradition. No chemicals, no artificial processing, just natural sweetness straight from sugarcane.